Hey, this is Randy Richardson again with Diamond Realty, and I answered a few of your questions in my last video, but I'm here today with Jacqueline Litton at Litton Mortgage to get a few more of our questions answered a little bit more in depth. So Jacqueline, can you explain to us what it means to get pre-qualified, what kind of information you're going to need, and what our next step is?
Absolutely. Getting your clients pre-qualified is easy. It will only take about 10 to 15 minutes of their time. They can call me and we can do an application over the phone. They can visit our website at www.litton-mortgage.com, or they can call and schedule an appointment to meet face-to-face. I'll ask them information about themselves, their employment history, residence history, income and assets to get them pre-qualified. I'll also go over with them some of the checklist of items that we'll need through the process, such as the last couple of years of tax returns, last month of pay stubs, last 2 months of bank statements, things like that. I can also go over monthly estimates for them to make sure that the homes that they're going to view with you are also homes in a payment range that they're comfortable with. Typically it takes about 30 days to close, but if they have all their information to us up front, there's no delay in the inspection periods, anything like that, sometimes we can close much sooner.
Can you explain to us what the difference in conventional, FHA, VA, and rural development is?
So for conventional loans, your clients need to have at least 5% down, and the maximum loan amount would be $417,000. For FHA, the down payment is a little bit less, it's 3.5% down, and the maximum loan amount would be $275,665. VA loans are great. It's a way to honor our heroes. It's a zero down loan program, and at Litton Mortgage, as a thank you for their service, we waive all lender fees. So if you're working with a military client or a veteran client, please tell them about the VA loan and have them call Litton Mortgage. Rural development is also a zero down program. It's for homes outside the city of Shreveport and city of Bossier limits. Now, rural development loans also have income restrictions, so it's important if they're interested to do a zero down rural development loan that you put them in touch with us so that we can make sure both the property they're interested in is eligible for rural development and they don't exceed the income thresholds.
So are there minimum credit scores that are required for each loan?
Sure. So we like to see at least 620 score most of the time. However, we have worked with some clients with a score as low as 580. They have strong compensating factors, and we review those, of course, on a case-by-case basis. Now, if their credit score is not quite where it needs to be, we're dedicated to giving them the tools they need to improve their situation in the future. I had a client not long ago that we worked with 2 years to help improve the credit score, and they were able to buy their first home. And those are some of the most rewarding client stories that we have.
Once they close on their loan, can their payments change?
At Litton Mortgage, we have competitive interest rates, and those interest rates are fixed and fully amortized. That means their monthly payments shouldn't adjust unless there's a change in their insurance premium or annual property taxes.
Are there certain things that my clients should not do whenever they're purchasing a house?
Randy, I'm so glad you asked that. Please tell your clients, do not quit your job when you are buying a home. Also, don't apply for new credit because that can have a negative impact on your credit score. You don't want to make any cash deposits. I'm talking $100 bills, okay? Because since anti-money laundering acts were put into effect, funds have to be sourced and seasoned, and cash is a very impossible way to source. Also, you don't want to have them buy any new vehicles, boats, motorcycles. Let's get the house and then let's get the toys later. Okay, so don't let them buy anything without talking to us first because it could affect their debt ratios and their final loan approval.
Thank you, Jacqueline, for answering all of our questions today. Again, this is Randy Richardson with Diamond Realty and Associates. If you're in the market to purchase a home or have any questions about getting pre-qualified or what our next steps are, please be sure and give me a call. You can reach me at 318-207-6797.